Hey there, tubers. Redneck Brian here, out with the new generator. Now you can get a better look at it. I'm going to cold start it. I have the battery, as you can see, hooked up. I'm not pull starting it. So, I was trying to show last night. Don't know how good it came through. Here's a power switch. You flick that on like that. Choke it, I believe, is all the way back. Yep, all the way back. And cranking. Must not be choke. That's choke. Then what I was told, once it starts, let it run on choke a bit. So let's try half choke. Also, to prove it's cold, hands on the muffler. No. Turn it off for a minute. So there it is. As you can see, it runs pretty good. No smoke, no noises, other than like normal noises. If anyone knows how you service a generator itself, if you could let me know, be appreciated. So I'm just looking at the engine here. I think it's almost getting, no, it's not. I thought it might be getting starved for fuel, but I don't think it is. So I'm going to restart it up and we're going to test the voltages. Half choke. I believe this is half choke here. That's all the way on. Half. Oh, that's choke right there. So that would be off. That's off. Half choke. That's choke. And that's off choke. Okay. That almost seems like choke on. plug there's a little bit worn out, so I figured it out. This has to be run right here because it will not, at this position here, it only generates about 70 volts. So this here is choke, run, off, I imagine. So let's turn it back on and check it. And my battery cable came on, done. My positive came off. That's not a good one to come off, but it did. I'm gonna start it up, then I'll take that off again. That's the kill switch, definitely. Okay, so as you can see, it does output. This one thing you have to do is you gotta flick this switch on right here. This is the power switch, basically allows the voltage. A little bit loose, but who cares? So you gotta flick this guy on, and it engages the generator. So it's actually not a bad feature. It says the 220 amp. So it's supposed to just do that one, but I'm not 100% sure. Like I was saying, this plug here is worn out. As you can see, it's pretty wiggly. So it's kind of on the worn out side. So it's not perfect, but what do you get for $100 bucks? It's pretty good for $100 bucks. So I'm gonna grab my saw. I'm gonna check something out. Grab my old trusty skill saw. Yeah, I think I'll pull start this time. Plug that in. Just as easy to pull it, I guess. They don't have to hook the battery back up. Okay, so as you can see, the switch here, you gotta flick this on to make anything work, which isn't a big deal. This guy here is the, I believe this one here, it's not for the 12 volt. This one here is for the high rev, so I might actually have the high rev on. I'm not 100% sure. Let's try it once more and we'll figure out something. So leave that off. That in the off position, because he was saying something about there's a high rev feature on here. So yeah, so it works. I don't know if that is a high rev or not. I don't know what that does, so I'll figure it out. So okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Keep it redneck. Hopefully this video wasn't too boring. Please subscribe, comment, and bye for now.